Have you been searching for a modern, custom-built home with no HOA? Well, today I'm going to show you exactly that here in Port St Lucie. And if you're new to my channel, I'm Raphael Gonzalez. I'm a realtor that specializes in new construction. I work with all of the builders here in Southeast Florida and help people just like you find the right home and find the right community while personally working with and representing you throughout the entire process. If you'd like my help and to leverage my knowledge, experience, and resources when buying or selling your next home, I'll have my information up on the screen and you can reach out to me directly. So this home is going to give you just over 2,100 square feet under air and comes in as a 3-bedroom plus den with 3 full bathrooms. But what's unique about this model that the builder offers is that it's built with a junior suite that has its own private bath with access to the lanai in the rear for multi-generational living if you have an adult child living with you or an aging parent. This particular home showcases some modern upgrades like the white porcelain floors, hurricane impact windows, and the quartz waterfall kitchen island with the marble veining. All of the bedrooms are separated for maximum privacy, and the office is located off from the living room. And although this home is completed and for sale, I really like how this builder is very selective in finding lots in great neighborhoods throughout West Port St Lucie, and he has different floor plans and models available to build that you can put your own custom design on. So if you're interested in scheduling a tour or want more information about this and other similar homes and communities, call or email me directly at the number on the screen. I don't work directly for the builder. I'm an independent realtor and can help work with you throughout the process with any home or community that you ultimately decide to call home. Whether you're looking at homes for sale or exclusively new construction, remember to call me before visiting any of the models on your own so that you'll be able to receive representation when you're ready to make a move on the right home. The builders are happy to work with me and all of my clients and subscribers that I bring by, and they compensate me on your behalf for my professional services and guidance. So if you are interested in this home or something else like this here in Port St. Lucie, you can reach out to me directly and I would be able to help you along the entire process, whether you're looking for something for sale or to build, and represent you when buying or selling a home here on the Treasure Coast.